right, we're back here on Showbiz Central, still with the trending couple of the day, Luis and Jen. #1 trending topic on Twitter. All right, so ito naman compatibility test ito, Pia.
Yes, we're gonna find out how well they know each other.
Yes, so they will respond on a set of questions. Kailangan sabay kayong sumagot at isusulat nyo lamang ang sagot nyo sa piece of paper na sa inyong harap. At ito po mga kapuso, makikita natin how well Jen and Luis really know each other.
Pero itong maganda sa mga tanong na di parehong kanilang sagot, Sweet will ask a fan from the audience to dictate a consequence that they want the couple to perform. Kaya sana hindi nila makuha. Here's the first question. Ang first gift ni Jen kay Luis ay...
Blank.
Right.
First gift.
First gift.
Ni Jen kay Luis.
10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, so let's show the answer. 1, 2, go.
Relo, watch!
Relo at watch. Okay, so tama.
Aww.
Alam mo yan ang mag-match, match na match, ang match na match, ha? Ang mag-match, match.
Okay.
Make it harder nga, Mon.
Okay, ito na ang pangalawang tanong. Ang pinakaunang text ni Luis kay Jeneline today ay...
Ay!
Blank.
Allah! Nako, kung si Luis ang una, text ba ni Luis yan, Mon? Sana hindi mahalay.
Ganon, sweet.
Joke lang, my friend.
Ang sagot ni Jen...
Okay.
Tama.
At ang kay Luis naman?
Hi, baby, yon.
Ay, hindi ko naalala.
Ayan na. Memory gap. Alright, so Sweet, merong
Nako!
consequence from the fans.
Oo, hi baby pala muna dapat. So, tawagin natin si Rose Villapando ng Batangas. Rose, halika. Ano ba ang consequence na gagawin ngayon ni Luis at ni Jen dahil hindi sila nag-match sa tanong na yon?
Sige. Luis, i-kiss mo si Jen 5 times anywhere in her face.
Yun lang pala eh.
Just consequence ba naman yun?
5 times?
5 times kahit saan daw sa parte ng muka.
Okay.
Dapat hindi iba-iba. 1, 2 sa chicks, 3 sa another chicks. Dalawa pa. 4 sa baba, isa na lang! Ay, ayun. Umulit sa chicks. Pwede na. Oh, huwag mag-alala mga fans. Marami pa mga katanungan. Back to you, Mon and Pia.
Next question. Mukha bang hug si Luis? Takot na takot pa rin siya sa... blank.
Saan takot si Luis?
Wow.
10 seconds.
Go.
Ano na yung tanong? Saan takot sila, ano?
Saan takot si Luis?
Ay! Saan kaya?
Let's see it.
Si Jenny nag-iisip
Yeah.
Walang maisip.
Wala pa si Jen. Go, Jen.
Kahit ano, pwedeng bagay, pangyayari.
Sa akin ba?
Okay, show your answers.
Tignan ko nga.
Pwede ba mag-usap?
Kay Jen!
Jen. Tama ka, Jen.
And Jen's answer is akin. So,
Oo. So,
Next.
pareho silang tama.
Next question then.
Next
Match na
question.
naman.
Eto na. Ang pinaka-hate na pagkain ni Luis ay blank. Pinaka-hate na pagkain.
this is the last question, so we hope they get it wrong.
Oo.
Nako,
Let's
alam na
see
alam
kung
ni
alam-
Jen yan.
Let's see.
Kung alam ni Jen, okay, show your answers right now.
Parehong
Coconut!
coconut.
Bakit? Bakit hate mong coconut?
Hindi ko alam eh. Hindi ko talaga makuha yung panlasa para sa coconut. I'm not sure why kahit nga I have a very bad case of sweet tooth. Sobrang hilig ko sa matamis. Pero pag alam kong may coconut na, di ko alam bakit medyo na-off ako.
Oh,
Yeah.
Okay, so no coconuts for Luis, pero may sorpresa pa kami sa inyo ni Jen. Let's watch this.
Si Jen kasi is a very nice lady. Maybe because sa ngayon, nanay din siya. Nag-e-enjoy ako ng relationship that we have. Kasi open yung relationship naming dalawa. not only as a tita, but also as a friend. You know, so for that, ina-enjoy ko si Jenny Lynn. And keep it up, because I truly, truly respect the lady. She's very nice. Jen, happy birthday to you. And you know very well that I'm enjoying your company. You're one person that I truly, truly enjoy and respect. Maybe because you're also a mother. So, thank you also. Sabi ko nga sa'yo, thank you for making my son happy. Please keep it up. But you know very well, I don't meddle also. So, as a friend, Jen, thank you again. Please take good care of my son. And happy birthday to you. Dito lang ako. Text tayo.
Wow, text mate si Governor.
Oo.
Reaction mo, Jen,
Anong
sa
gusto mo
mensahe?
sabihin, Jen?
Speechless ako. Na-surprise naman ako doon. Maraming salamat po, tita. At happy Mother's Day po. I love you po.
Ikaw naman, Luis. Final words.
No, I'm very, very happy na... Sige, tayo na tayo daw. I'm very, very happy na si Mats and my mom, they put in constant effort na magkausap sila, na hindi ko kailangan na sabihin na, Mats, text mo naman si Momski. Hindi, sila mismo nag-uusap. And for me, that really means a lot.
Luis, baka you want to take this opportunity also to greet your mom.
Yes, Momski, I messaged you earlier and I want to say again, for the longest time you were saying on TV, I love you, Lucky. This is the perfect day for me to say, I love you, Mommy. Happy Mother's Day.
All right, let's move here to the front,
Yan tayo
guys.
sa harapan. At ang mga fans gusto magkatabi sila. Yan, dyan na kayo sa gitna. Bibihira mangyari ito on Philippine television. Dito na yan napanood sa SC.
Maraming salamat, Luis, for being here. And Jen,
Maraming salamat.
happy birthday.
So much.
Gusto ko magpasalamat na rin sa Showbiz Central. Thank you very much for having me here. Sa lahat na nandito sa mga kapuso, maraming salamat din.
Yeah!
At once again po sa mga bosses ng ABS and GMA, thank you very much for making this day possible. Mats, happy birthday, happy Mother's Day, and I love you.
Thank you.
Yes, at sa lahat ng nandito sa studio audience, maraming salamat. And to my mom, happy Mother's Day. And to my sister also. Kayo guys.
Ako din sa nanay ko, tsaka sa ate ko, sa lahat ng nanay, sa mga tiyahing ko, happy Mother's Day sa inyo.
Ako the
Alright.
same. My mom, my mother-in-law, Andrea, and my sisters-in-law. Happy Mother's Day, you guys. Idol ko kayo.
And Dr. Vicky Bello, happy Mother's Day. Yun lang po.
Dr. Vicky Bello, thank you so much. Sexy Solutions.
Yes, thank you
Months
so
sa'yo
much,
yata
Sex
yan.
Solutions. Dr. Vivian Sarabia Optical, Dr. Shadow Adahar Dental Clinic, Sexy Chef Magnum, Elordi Jim and Ortigas, Ton Lau, Zeng Zulueta, and Richard of Henry Calayag Salon. Maraming salamat.
Nako,
Thank
next
you.
week ha, tabayanan po ninyo, tuloy-tuloy po ang selebrasyon ng 5th anniversary ng Showbiz Central. Diyan lang kayo.
Bye, everyone.
Ito na,
God bless you.
ang 24 Oras Weekend.